number 1. Graph, we left off the word graph. Graph this function using Excel. So first I need to put in an x and then an f of x, just like on our other graphs. And I need to choose some values, so maybe say -3, maybe we try -5, -4, and on. So I type in 2 values, and then I select the 2 values, drag them down. I'm going to go all the way down to 5, +5, and then I'll calculate some f of x values. So f of x is -x² plus 3x. So remember we needed parentheses on that other x² that had a negative out front, so let's use that again. So we'll say equals to tell Excel we want to calculate, and then negative, and then we'll put parentheses, click on the A2 squared, end parentheses, and then plus 3. Remember we have to put the times in or it thinks that we're done. Times, and click on our x again, and then we have no constant on this function, so then we just push enter. Now let's double check that one, make sure that it calculated correctly. We want to look for f of -5, so we're going to plug that in, negative of -5 quantity squared plus 3 times -5. So we have -5 quantity squared, that gives me a +25, but then bring down the negative, and then 3 times -5 will give me -15. When I add those, I get -40. And that's what Excel gave me. So happy days. Now click on the -40. That just means we remembered to put the parentheses where we needed and the multiplication symbols where we needed. So we're doing a good job. Go to the bottom right and drag it down. And we're filling in values, and do you see the -10 to positive, or to the other -10? We want to hold on to that and maybe graph from there, but I think maybe we should just go down a little bit further, maybe 2 more rows. Do you see how now I can go from -4 to +7 in the x direction, and I'm seeing a symmetric shape there. So now I would like to insert, charts, scatter, and the one with the line attached. And there's my parabola. I sort of expected it to open downward because of the negative on the lead coefficient, or the term with the highest degree. So there's my graph. Remember we need to change the layout to the first one so we can put our title in. This one is f of x equals -x² plus 3x. And we had no constant. Push enter, it'll update it on the graph for me. And put my x title for that one and my f of x title for that one. And I should be good. Delete this series. And there's a beautiful graph. So Control C. Go to where you want to put it. Paste. The last thing I want to do on this graph is draw in the arrows. Excel doesn't do that for us because it doesn't know that things are going on and on. We have to think about it and put those on. So there are my arrows.